boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And today, I have some special helpers. I have Mr. Carter.
Hi!
And Miss Sofiya.
Hi!
I have Mr. Daniel.
Hi!
And I have Miss Summer.
Hi!
And you know what we're going to be making today?
What?
We're going to be making Pancake Poppers.
Ooh.
What do you think?
That sounds really good.
Do you think that your pancake's gonna pop, 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 pop in the pan?
No. Yes! Right.
Yeah. Well, we'll get started, and I'll tell you why I'm calling them Pancake Poppers, okay? You guys can just keep guessing why I'm doing, okay? You see if you can figure out why I'm calling them Pancake Poppers. Okay,
No idea.
what's this?
A recipe.
Oh, why is that on the table?
Because if you don't get the right ingredients, then it won't taste the same.
That's right. We need to follow a recipe, boys and girls, don't we? And we need to have, if we can't read yet, you need to have an adult help you because you need to get the right measurements and the right ingredients so you can make something really yummy, huh? Yeah? Okay. So you two are going to be working on a recipe, so here's your bowl. And you two will be working on a recipe, so here's your bowl, okay? So you're going to start off with 1 cup of whole wheat flour and 1 cup of white whole wheat flour. Do you see the difference in colors?
Uh-huh.
So, Sofiya, you take this whole wheat flour. Carter, you take that one. Daniel, do you take that one? And Summer, you take that one. Measure 1 cup and put it in your bowls. And remember, when you're measuring, boys and girls, you want to fill your measuring cup to the top. And then you can use your knife or you can use the end of your spoon and you can level it.
I use this to fill the
You
cup
may,
up?
Carter.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay, fill it to the, oh, here, Sofiya. You need a 1 cup. So fill this one up. Pour all that flour into here. Or you can start with another one. Okay, you want to fill that to the top. That's exactly right. Good job. Okay. Did you get yours done, Summer?
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Miss
Okay.
Cinda, look at mine.
Very good, Carter. Oh, here, Sofiya. Let me show you. You got 3/4 of a cup. So now we're going to add the rest of it, okay? So you need to make sure that your cup's full, huh? Good job. Good job. Okay. Now you're going to need your 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So Summer and Carter, that's 2 teaspoons. Just a minute, Daniel. Don't get ahead of me.
1 teaspoon?
That's a teaspoon, yes. So you need
Okay.
2 teaspoons. And then Sofiya and Daniel, you're going to need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. So just a 1/2 teaspoon and make sure it's level. Let's see, Sofiya. Here's what you do. You take your knife like this and you go like that. And see how it's nice and level? Look. And now pour that in. Good job. Now, can you do the same thing with the salt? You can use this as your level, so you can make it nice and level. That's perfect, Sofiya. Very good. How'd you do, Daniel? Good job. Now, can you do the same thing with the salt? And mix that all up because you want to get your dry ingredients all mixed up. Excuse me a minute. Very carefully, but you want to get it all mixed up. Here, I'll move this for you, Summer. Good job. Now make a little well in the center. Can you make a well? Boys and girls, do you know what it means when we're making a well in the center? Let me show you. Show them, Carter. There you go. See, we're making a hole right in the middle of our dry ingredients. And that's what we mean when we say we're making a well. Okay, now into our well, we're going to add our applesauce and our pure maple syrup.
All of it, right?
Right in the center. Good job. Very good.
Spatula.
Get it all in.
Spatula.
Good job.
Spatula.
Okay. Oh, and I like that you used the spatula, Daniel. That was nice. And boys and girls, when you want to make sure that you get everything out of your bowl, use your spatula. Okay, what is this here in the center?
Skillet.
It's an electric pan, isn't it? Now, I'm going to turn it on because this is what we're going to put our pancakes on and cook them on, okay? But I'm going to turn it on, and when I turn it on, what does that mean? What do I want you guys to be really careful about?
Don't touch it.
Don't touch it.
Because it's hot.
Very good, Sofiya.
And it can burn you.
That's right. And does it feel good to get, who's ever been burned?
Me.
Did it feel good?
No.
Did you go, ow, oh, ow? Is that what you did?
Yes.
What'd you do?
It just burned me a lot.
Did you go run it under cold water? Yeah, you can run it under cold water, can't you? But we want to be really careful. Yep. So I'm going to turn it on so nobody touch it, okay? Now stir up your pancake mix.
You want to use your spatulas now.
You may if you'd like. Stir it up and get all the wet ingredients mixed into the dry ingredients, okay? Oh, good thing I looked at my recipe. We're forgetting one thing. Carter, could you go in the refrigerator and get the almond milk? Okay. I was thinking, this is looking pretty dry. Did you think? Were you thinking this is going to be some pretty thick pancakes, huh? Yes. Okay. And find your liquid measuring cup. Look on the table. There. Now you're going to, why don't, you can pour a cup in, and we'll let Sofiya pour a half a cup. Find your 1 cup line, because there's lots of lines on the cup, and it'll tell you which is your 1 cup line. Okay?
Found our 1 cup.
Fine, and pour to 1 cup.
Can you please open
And that's a
Miss
half.
Cinda?
Oh, it's hard to open. Oh, there you go. Okay, pour into 1 cup. Well, this is a dry measuring cup, and this is for liquid measuring. And so he's going to use the liquid measure and get right to the 1 cup. And when you're pouring, boys and girls, make sure you always have your cup. Ooh, careful, Carter. Let's see. That's perfect. Okay, pour it in. And while you're pouring that in, you can measure, Summer, 1 cup. And then, Sofiya, I'll let you and Daniel measure a half a cup, okay? Does that sound fun? Mm-hmm. Who likes to be in the kitchen?
Me.
Do you guys help your mommies in the kitchen?
Yes.
Is it fun? Ooh. There you go. Okay, Sofiya, your turn. Carter, let's let Sofiya use your cup. There we go. Okay, Sofiya, I'm going to show you where the half cup line is. See, it says 1/2. So pour up to there, okay? Here, Miss Cinda will help you, okay?
Okay,
Here,
hold it.
Okay, how about if you hold your finger on that line and you tell me when I get to there, okay? Put your finger right here, and then you tell me when I get to that, okay? Make sure you don't touch our skillet.
Miss Cinda, I saw some hot dogs on the table.
Oh! What do you think I'm going to do with those hot dogs? Okay, pour it in.
You might want to put them in.
Okay, boys and girls, now mix that up. Here, Daniel, do you want to pour it or do you want Miss Cinda to? Okay, I'll hold it. So you pour it to where right up there. Okay? Okay, as soon as you get your oops, stop. That's perfect, Daniel. That's perfect. Okay, pour it in. Now mix it all up. Now, boys and girls, here's the popper part. We're gonna pop these into our pancakes.
Huh? That's weird.
You'll see it. These are vegan sausage links. Can you take your knife and cut it into pieces? Just like this, Sofiya. See? Just like that. And, okay? There you go. Carter, can you take yours? And Daniel, Daniel, you're already doing great. Can you do that, Summer? And I'll help you guys mix up your pancake mixture, okay? Because you want to mix it up just a little bit better than this. We want to make sure that we get all that liquid into our batter, into our dry ingredients and get it absorbed, okay? So, boys and girls, make sure that you stir it up really good. Sure. There you go. Oh, we're almost ready to put these on our skillet in our griddle. There, that's good. How's yours? Is your batter all mixed up? Oh, a little bit on the side still. Okay, Sofiya, you can put them in here when you're all finished cutting them, okay? And then we're going to put them on the griddle. And who wants to taste a hot pancake popper?
Me.
Oh, anybody taste their vegan sausage link? Did they like you?
Cinda,
You can taste it if you like.
Miss Cinda, look what I'm doing. Put it in here.
Good, that's perfect, Sofiya. Put it in.
Cinda, look what I'm doing.
Oh, you're doing 3 at a time.
I know.
Wow, does this look fun, boys and girls? Oh, and you know what? You don't have to have these just for breakfast. You can have these at supper time too. You could have these at lunchtime. You could have these whenever you're hungry, can't you? Okay, I'm gonna spray my griddle with a non-stick cooking spray, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Oh, that's our kitchen timer, boys and girls. We're almost out of time.
Cinda, we're gonna mix these little things up.
Yes, we're having so much fun. The time's just going by fast, isn't it? See, look at our little sausage things just popping up. Aren't those cute? Okay, now let me do some of your batter. Should I do a little one?
Don't forget to flip them.
Oh, that's right, Daniel. We don't want to forget to flip them, do we? Because then they'll burn.
I have the only flipper.
You have the only flipper? Well, do you think I could borrow your only flipper?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Do you know how to tell if a pancake's ready to be flipped? Does anybody know?
No.
Look at the pancake. Do you see how these little air bubbles starting?
Uh-huh.
It'll get even more air bubbles. See, look, over here, some air bubbles. And there's some. When it gets a whole bunch of air bubbles, they're ready to flip. We have a teeny tiny one right there, too. Look, I even flipped the teeny tiny one.
That one already had a lot of bubbles.
That's a little baby pancake. That's a little mini baby pancake, huh? Oh, you like to eat that? Would you like to eat that? It might be a little hot. Yeah. I'll put it down here. There.
Try the little one.
You want to try the little teeny tiny one?
That's good.
Is that good? Oh, look! Ooh. And look at our little sausage links popping through. Boys and girls, we're almost out of time. In fact, we are out of time. But don't these look good? Remember, boys and girls, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.